guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I am doing today the BH Cosmetic eye lights. These suckers, look at the color I got, amazing. I'm actually gonna put it on the empty part of my eye right here to see how this wears. I got the blue, it's like a blue purple color. Isn't that so pretty? These are called Eyelights by BH Cosmetics. They are waterproof, eye colored. They're like liquid eyeshadows. So I thought I would put it on for you guys and check in later on today to tell you, are these good? The top of the line brand right now is Stila. Nobody beats Stila. So I'm gonna go ahead and place this on the eye, check in throughout the day and tell you guys, or actually throughout the night, as long as the eyes look beautiful, I will be fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and just zoom in the camera really quick and show you, bring you closer to me. Okay, so let's see how this looks on the eyes. Let's go ahead and open it up. It comes out like kind of sloppy looking. Look at that. Like it's almost like, look at, that's kind of sloppy the way it comes out. It's like doesn't have that suction. Anyways, let's go ahead and just pat some of this off because it looks like it has an excess amount. And see how it looks on the eye. These range for, I believe, $7 online, $7 or $8. Okay, got a little bit of a chunk right there. I gotta blend out. Ooh. Ooh, beautiful. So I think that they're absolutely beautiful. I love this color, but I don't feel like the glitter is as bling blingy as like the Stila. Let me just kind of swipe one swipe here of the Stila on my hand. Swipe the front and the back of it. You guys can see like the distribution of like a Stila glitter is like evenly distributed. And it's so much more reflectant. Now, if I pull you close to my eye again, you don't really notice the reflectant part of it as much. Let me go ahead and just put it back to back close to this and show you guys. So it's kind of funny, like on my hand, you know, you guys can see, doesn't it look like it's more reflectant? And then when I put it on the eye, it doesn't catch that exact like same color, I guess you could say. It looks like a duochrome glitter on my hand, but then I do this with my eyes, and do you see like where it goes between the purple and blue? No, I do not see that. Go ahead and finish up my makeup here, and I will see you guys in a second. Okay guys, so I just finished up my makeup. I thought that the blue needed a little extra sparkle because I just wasn't seeing the sparkles. So I did take the Stila Diamond Dust and I added it to the corners and I added it just at the very edge of the blue. But the majority of the eye, all this is still just the eye lights without any other products on top. So I will let you know, I'll check in later on at Bon Appetit at Caesar's Palace and let you guys know whether it chunked up, it flaked off, or does it actually, is it a good liquid eyeshadow? I don't know. The price is phenomenal, like $7 or $8, $25 for the Stila, but the Stila, you can never go wrong with. This is like wonderful. But if you guys like this, let's see if it holds up. It's a duochrome, where it changes colors. But if you get close to my eyes, I mean, it's not bad, I don't think. It's just not as blingy as I thought. And I did put the Stila in the corner and a little bit over here by the black to kind of give me a little bit more pop-up bling. It looks good still, but it's not as blingy. She thinks that I just needed to put it on and then like blend it out with my finger.
With the finger, yeah.
Yeah, because on her skin, it looked totally different.
That's only because I used my finger to do it.
Yeah. But we're gonna go ahead and check in later at Bon Appetit and see if this thing actually lasts all night long. Okay guys, so I'm gonna ask Karen here. So does it look like it's a duochrome or not?
It does, like I see a blue right here, and then when you turn on the side, there's that purplish thing going on right there.
But is it like dramatic? Like a dramatic?
To me it is dramatic. It is a dramatic look.
So 1 to 10, what do you think of the blue? Not the silver that I put into it.
Okay, the blue, I love it, but at the beginning of, you know, when she swatched it, when we were FaceTiming, it was much more darker for some reason. It was much more dramatic.
So So I
like
think,
in your skin. It was much more dramatic when you.
So she wanted me to pat it on, so
Right.
it would be more dramatic.
Right.
But it is picking up that duochrome effect.
Right, it does. It's like when I look straight at you, it's blue, but when you go, as soon as you go this way, it has that like purple thing going on.
And it's not chunked off or flaked off on
No.
my face or anything?
No.
Okay guys, so we're gonna check in a few more hours and let you guys. The shadow is actually holding up really well, even though it's really, really dark right now. Look how crowded this event is.
You should go to the but wait till